Welcome back my YouTube channel. Old Coin Z Collection today. We're going to talk about one of the most interesting and valuable coins in the Japanese 10 yen coin. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of coin collecting, where rare coins are sometimes worth a fortune. Can this Japanese 10 yen coin from 1979 really be worth up to $2.5 million? Stay tuned to find out. Now let's talk a bit about the 10 yen coin. Issued by Japan, this coin is well known for its design, featuring the famous side and a laurel wreath surrounding the denomination on the other. The 1979 version of the coin falls under the Shōwa period, or the 54th year of Emperor Hirohito's reign, as indicated by the Japanese characters on the coin. Now, what makes this 10 yen coin so valuable? Coin values are often influenced by factors like rarity, condition, and demand. While the 1979 coin isn't usually rare, certain versions or errors could make it valuable to collectors. For example, misprints or errors in minting, like double strikes or missing elements, can make a coin highly valuable. Additionally, uncirculated or proof versions of coins hold much higher value than circulated ones. You might be wondering, why would any 10 yen coin be worth millions? Well, coin collectors are always on the lookout for unique or rare finds. Sometimes, a coin becomes exceptionally valuable due to its historical significance or limited production that in recent years. Some rare coins have fetched millions at auctions, but these are usually ancient or highly sought-after ones. For this 1979 10 yen, it would only reach such a value if it had extreme rarity or a major error. So, is it true that this coin could be worth $2.5 million? Realistically, the typical 1979 10 yen coin would not reach such a value. Most of these coins, especially if circulated, are worth only their face value or slightly more. However, some collectors might pay a premium for a mint condition or unique error coin from this year. It's always good to have coins checked by a professional if you think they might be valuable. In conclusion, while the chance of finding a 10 yen coin worth millions is slim, it's still fascinating to see the potential value of certain rare coins. The 1982 Japanese 1 yen coin that's rumored to be worth a staggering $22 million. Yes, you heard that right, $22 million for a single coin. Stick with me as we unravel the mystery behind this astonishing claim and find out if your pocket change could make you a millionaire. In full details, country Japan period Hirohito, Shōwa, 1950. 1989 currency Japanese, yen coin type circulation, coins denomination, 1, yen currency rate 1 Japanese, yen equals 0.01 US in 1982 Njaha Ruler Hirohito composition aluminium edge type smooth shape round alignment metal 0 degrees. Weight G 1 diameter 20 thickness 1.2 To understand the hype around the 1982 1 yen coin, we first need to explore the history of Japan's currency. The 1 yen coin was introduced in 1955, made of lightweight aluminum, and designed to be durable and practical. It features a simple yet elegant chrysanthemum design, symbolizing Japan's rich cultural heritage. But what makes the 1982 version so special? Stay tuned to find out. Did you know these coins are so light they can float on water? Collectors love them for their unique design and historical significance. Now let's address the elephant in the room. Why is this coin rumored to be worth $22 million? According to speculation, this particular coin might have been a rare minting error or a limited production run, making it highly sought after. Some reports suggest that collectors are willing to pay exorbitant amounts for a coin in pristine condition. But here's the catch. No official confirmation of such a sale exists. Coins with errors like double strikes or misalignments can fetch astronomical prices. 1982 might have been a year with unusually low mintages, making it a collector's dream. Is the $22 million claim just a myth to spark interest among collectors? That if you own a 1982 1 yen coin, how can you determine its true value? Here are some tips. Coins in uncirculated or mint condition are significantly more valuable. Look closely for any minting anomalies. Send your coin to a grading service like PCGS or NGC for an expert evaluation. Remember, even if your coin isn't worth $22 million, it could still hold value to the right collector. Whether or not this rumor holds up, one thing is clear. Coin collecting is a fascinating hobby with the potential for big rewards. Here are some tips to grow your collection. Research rare coins in your country. Check your change regularly. Treasures could be hiding in plain sight. Join collector forums and attend coin fairs to network with experts. Have you ever found a rare coin in your collection? Drop a comment below and share your story. I might feature it in the next video. Thank you for watching today's episode of Old Coin Z Collection.